will be our 10th anniversary of our brouhaha. It's at the Veterans Park. The glasses are gold metallic this year, the writing on them. And you get 10 tasting tickets with each glass purchase. You can come to the Art Center and buy your tickets in advance for $20. The day of the event, they're $25. We look forward to seeing each and every one of you there.
And it'll be how many vendors?
Well, we have 750 glasses, so you need to be there when we start. It starts at 3 o'clock, and we'll be going until 10 with 2 bands.
Broken Angel?
Broken Angel and
Crush.
And Crush. What else?
And you have the food and...
There'll be food up until closing.